In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Magic Wand tool in Adobe Photoshop to quickly select parts of an image based on color. The Magic Wand tool is one of the fastest ways to remove backgrounds, select skies, or isolate solid color areas without spending a lot of time manually tracing around objects. If you've ever tried cutting out a simple background and thought there must be an easier way, this tool is exactly what you're looking for. I'll walk you step by step through how it works, how to adjust the important settings, how to add or remove areas from your selection, and when the Magic Wand works best so you can get clean results every time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump straight into Photoshop. The first step is selecting the Magic Wand tool. Start by opening your image in Adobe Photoshop. Once your image is open, go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. The Magic Wand tool shares a slot with other selection tools, so the quickest way to activate it is by pressing the letter W on your keyboard. If you press W and a different selection tool appears, simply right-click on that tool in the toolbar. You'll see a small menu showing the different tools in that group. From there, choose Magic Wand tool. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change and you're ready to start making selections. Before clicking on your image, it's important to understand the key settings at the top of the screen in the options bar. These settings control how the Magic Wand behaves, and they can make a huge difference in your results. The first setting you'll see is tolerance. Tolerance controls how similar colors must be in order for Photoshop to include them in the selection. A low tolerance value, somewhere between 10 and 30, means Photoshop will only select colors that are very similar to the pixel you click. This is great for precise selections. A higher tolerance value, like 50 to 100, allows Photoshop to select a much wider range of similar colors. This can help when the background has slight color variations. The next important option is contiguous. When contiguous is checked, Photoshop will only select pixels that are touching each other. When it's unchecked, Photoshop will select similar colors across the entire image, even if they are separated. This can be very useful when selecting multiple areas of the same color. Next is anti-alias. This option smooths the edges of your selection so they don't look jagged. In most situations, you'll want to leave anti-alias turned on because it creates cleaner edges. Another setting you might see is sample all layers. This is especially useful when working with layered designs because it tells Photoshop to sample colors from all visible layers instead of just the currently selected layer. Once your settings are configured, you're ready to make your selection. Move your cursor over the area you want to select. For example, if you're removing a sky or selecting a white background, simply click once on that area. Photoshop will immediately select pixels with similar colors based on the tolerance value you set earlier. You'll see the familiar marching ants outline appear around the selected area. Sometimes one click won't select everything you want, and that's completely normal. This is where adding and removing from your selection becomes useful. To add more areas to your selection, simply hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click another part of the image. Photoshop will expand the selection to include that area as well. If the Magic Wand selects something you don't want, you can remove it from the selection by holding the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac, and then clicking the unwanted area. This allows you to quickly refine your selection without starting over. Once you have your selection ready, you can use it in several different ways. If you're removing a background, simply press the Delete key to remove the selected pixels. If you want to copy the selected area to a new layer, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard, and Photoshop will instantly duplicate that selection onto its own layer. You can also apply color adjustments, filters, or effects only to the selected area. The Magic Wand tool works best when your image has clear color separation. It's perfect for solid color backgrounds, clear skies, simple graphics, or logos. However, it may struggle with complex images, detailed textures, or things like hair where colors blend together. In those situations, other selection tools like the Quick Selection tool or Select and Mask may give better results. And that's how to use the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop to quickly select areas based on color. Once you understand tolerance and the selection options, it becomes a powerful shortcut for editing and background removal. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.